body of mass 0.5 kg, right? So mass is given to you. Travels in a straight line with velocity v. V is given as dependent on x, where a is something, some constant. What is the work done by net force during its displacement from this x to that x, right? How will we do this question? See here, we are directly going to use work-energy theorem. There are other ways of doing this also, but if you use work-energy theorem, you will directly get the answer. How? Use the formula, right? So work done by all forces. That means, let's say work done by net force. That is equal to change in kinetic energy, right? So let me write down change in kinetic energy. So K final minus K initial. If you see initially, right? Initially at t equal to 0, where was it? It was at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, what was its velocity? Right? Initially x equal to 0, put x value here. That means v is also equal to 0. That means it is at rest, right? Initially it is at rest. Finally we don't know. Finally it will have some velocity, right? If you put x equal to 2, some value will come. So that means finally it is not 0, but initially it is 0. So that means this will become half m v final square, right? Or let me just write v square. Half m v square minus half m v initial square, that is 0. So half m v square only, right? At x equal to 2. Can you tell me? Finally, x equal to 2 meter, right? And what is v is equal to? Put it over there. A is 5, right? So this becomes 5 into 2 power 3 by 2. So put v's value over here. mv already know, है ना? mv सब पता है. देखो simple formula से हमारा आ गया आंसर. Half into what is m? 0.5 kg. 0.5 यानी कि आधा, है ना? तो half v square. Square both sides. V square. What does it become? 5 becomes 5 square. 2 power 3 by 2 becomes 2 power 3, right? So that 1 by 2 goes away. So this v square will become 5 square into 2 cube, right? And if you see 2 cube is 8, 8 divided by 4 is 2, 5 square is 25, 25 multiplied by 2 is 50, and that gives you our answer, right? So this was a simple question, wasn't it? So many such questions can come. Velocity dependent on x, force dependent on x, right?